I'm Brandon.
I'm Reice.
Welcome to the Night Goons channel. Today we're going to be installing
this pig.
Alright, dude. Explain your steps.
Steps.
What are the steps? The process.
What's the lingo?
The process.
Fucking take it to the head, dude.
He already has the downpipes in here. Catless downpipes. This is what we got to take out. This POS.
Most people are missing their under tray, so we just got
Replace it with this.
Is this intercooler fucked, the one you're taking out?
yeah.
Dang! That thing's small compared to this.
Get some WD-40 in that.
That's what she said.
Get in there with a screwdriver.
Sometimes you just need more than two hands. There it is! Attaboy!
Dang, look at that. Oh yeah. Alright, the hardest part is coming up. Getting the fucking...
Oh, everybody, this is Caesar.
Daddy chill.
It won't shatter like the plastic one.
You wanna actually gonna fit on?
It's all about it's all about teamwork.
Because then we'll know if it's in, it'll be, you know what I'm saying?
We get the meathead to lift it up. Get on there, meathead. We gotta delete some plastic from here because it's not fitting properly.
What a pie to the thing.
Hey, what do? We all just stand here and watch while Reice is installing the front
My
mount.
car. I'm gonna put it.
When in doubt, Google it out. Almost done with the install. We'll have some sound clips after, but it's gonna play good. We got to do the little tuny bits for the front mount. What's the app called that you're using?
It is called
MHD. And that's the little port right there. Bluetooth connected. You can flash on the go. MHD on the go. This is day 2 of the install. Mostly because it was dark last night. I didn't want to film, have bad lighting. But front mount's all installed, so we're gonna check out and see how it feels and sounds.
To the bank first or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, just get on Shade and go in.
Reice claims that it's a lot faster with his tune. Hopefully I could hold the phone steady during this pull.
Pull in traffic, dude. That's how we do it.
Huh, Caesar.
Just. Yeah.
Oh snap. Red light action in the front.
Huh?
Now we're gonna get a full pull. Screen, dude.
I'm not doing no pulls.
Oh, the Honda wants a race. Get him. Get him.
What the fuck?
Go. Go.
Bro, you need a selfie stick. Woo! Almost broke my neck on that.
Like a watch.
See, bro, that's exactly what it is.
Oh!
It's just short and sweet.
Short and sweet.
Short and sucks.
Give him the sauce, dude. Give him the sauce.
Too much cars, dude.
Hit the two-step.
I don't have the two-step. Cop or a taxi?
Are you looking for cops? Cause I'm not. I don't have my glasses on,
Cause I'm.
so I can't. I'm no help.
Confuse those taxis with...
Are we pulling? Caesar? Should we? Damn, I didn't even get that type of reaction to my Subaru. What is that? Fake.
Y'all gotta fucking. Y'all gotta go head to head, man.
It definitely feels like it pulls harder. I don't know if you'll be able to keep up with my Subaru quite yet, but
It's a threat.
we can see what happens.
In a week we'll find out.
So, you happy so far with the install?
Oh yeah, dude.
Yeah.
No more boost leaks.
Good. You might be able to keep up now.
That's why we did it. So we